Here's how to delete wallpapers on your iPhone. Now, if you head into the Settings app of your iPhone and then scroll down and tap on Wallpapers, you'll be able to see all of your wallpapers that you've ever created. Now, I think this is an oversight by Apple, but there's no real way to delete wallpapers from here. You can't swipe up or to the left, and you can't press and hold on the wallpapers to delete them either. For whatever reason, they haven't built it into the settings. However, you can delete your wallpaper by unlocking your phone, just like this, so you're on the home screen. And then you're going to take your finger from the top left and swipe down to view your lock screen. After you've done that, you're going to press and hold on here, and you can see it pops up with a little menu that looks like this. Again, I can swipe between all of my wallpapers. Now, this is my current one, so I want to keep this one, but let's say I wanted to delete out all the other ones. I'm going to swipe to those other ones, and then I'm going to take my finger and swipe up and tap on the trash can and hit delete this wallpaper. Unfortunately, there's no one button to be able to delete out all of the old ones. Again, you just need to go through this list and again, swipe up. I don't use this one anymore. Hit the trash can and hit delete this wallpaper. And then of course, whichever one you wanted to use right now, you can just land on it and then tap on it and it will implement that wallpaper that you haven't deleted.